नेक्स्ट, खाली जगह फ्रेम्स लॉज एंड एग्जीक्यूट देम, तो द गवर्नमेंट डज public welfare workers. We have federal government in India. In most of the state of India, there is no legislative council. Chapter 4. The person who collected the revenue of particular province was called The person who collected the revenue of particular province was called feudal lord. During the rule of King Mihir Bhoj of Pratihar dynasty, he continuously capital of Chola dynasty was Tanjore. Continuously kept on fighting against Rashtrakuta. In south, the capital of Chola dynasty was Tanjore. तांजोर जो है वो चोला डायनेस्टी के टाइम में साउथ इंडिया की कैपिटल थी. किंग राजा of Chola dynasty had started land measuring and local self-government. Chandbardai had composed the epic named Prithviraj Raso. Bappa Rawal was the founder of Sisodia dynasty. सिसोदिया डायनेस्टी का फाउंडर कौन है? बप्पा रावल है. नेक्स्ट, when Rajputs lost hope of winning against enemy in battlefield, they performed केसरिया. जो राजपूत हैं वो लोग अपने सर पे केसरी रंग की जो है वो पगड़ी पहनकर जो है वो जंग के मैदान में जाते थे. The vertical imaginary line drawn on the globe are called longitudes. Zero longitude passes through Greenwich in England. The standard time of our nation is decided by east longitude, तो 82.5 degree east longitude. While crossing the 180 longitude from east to west on Sunday, a plane or a ship will change the day to Monday. Chapter number 6. Village administration depended on panchayat during the medieval India. The great poet of Sanskrit Magh composed the epic Shishu Pallavad based on Panchatantra. Narayana Pandit composed Hetopatish collection of tales. खाली जगह अटैक, तो महमूद गजनवी attacked India many times between 1000 to 175 CE. Chapter 7. The खाली जगह is located to the north of India, तो the Himalaya mountain is located to the north of India. The total land area of India is approximately 32,87,263 sector kilometers. The Godwin-Austen K2 peak lies in Karakoram range. The central and southern plateau of India is also known as a treasure house of minerals. Chapter 8. Khaljaga established the slave dynasty in India. तो कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक established the slave dynasty in India. फिर Hindu Muslims styles of architecture is blended in the construction of Qutub Minar. In the period of Muhammad Tughlaq, an African traveler from Tangier named Ibn Battuta visited India. Amir Khusro was the famous poet of Alauddin Khilji royal court. Chapter 9. Member of Legislative Assembly MLA represents people. The entire administration of state is carried out in the name of governor. In 3 lists the distributions of the works and powers allotted to state and central government have been made. Khalijaga section of Khalijaga sections the bills presented in legislative assembly. तो गवर्नर यहाँ जो है वो हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंप्लीट होता है, जिसमें हमने देखा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 शुरू होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए, स्टेट द वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. अब हमारा जो है वो स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या फॉल्स वो देखेंगे हम सेकेंड क्वेश्चन के अंदर. देवगुप्ता वॉज द किंग ऑफ मालवा. यस. द ग्रेट पोएट बाणभट्टा हैड कंपोज्ड कादम्बरी. यस. The Chinese traveler Huan Sang had stayed in Nalanda University for 15 years and studied Buddhism. तो wrong. King Manglesh had made the capital Vatapi a very charming town. Nagar. तो false. यहाँ हमारा चैप्टर 1 का कंप्लीट होता है. चैप्टर 2, द ऑर्बिट ऑफ द अर्थ इज सर्क्यूलर. तो रॉन्ग. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड द सन रिमेन्स द सेम थ्रू द ईयर. तो रॉन्ग. अर्थ और सन के अंदर सेम डिस्टेंस नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, days and nights are longer and shorter due to the tilted axis of the earth. तो yes. Between 21st March to 21st September the southern hemisphere experience winter. तो yes. मार्च से 21 सितंबर तक जो है वो साउथर्न हेमिस्फेयर में ठंडी का एक्सपीरियंस होता है. बिटवीन मिडल ऑफ मे टिल द एंड ऑफ जुलाई द सन डज नॉट सेट इन नॉर्वे. तो यस, नॉर्वे में जो है वो मई और जुलाई के महीने में नॉर्वे में जो है वो सन जो है वो डूबता नहीं है. चैप्टर 3, द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स distribute food items through ration shops. तो wrong. The government is the essential body of every state. तो yes. The executive committee of the government frames law. तो wrong. We have 3 levels of government in India: local, state and national. तो yes. In Gujarat there is only legislative assembly. तो yes, सिर्फ गुजरात में ही legislative assembly जो है वो है. Chapter 4. Rudraman I had constructed Kailashnath temple in Kanchi. तो wrong. The kings of Chawla dynasty ruled over Delhi during the Rajput age. तो wrong. There had been Pandya state where there the Madurai and Trivali district in Tamil Nadu at present. तो yes. The other name of Pandya state is Kerala. तो wrong. The earth is divided in two parts, east and west from the Greenwich line. तो yes. International date line is a straight line. No, zigzag line है वो. Different places on the same longitude have different local time. तो wrong. The sunrise is earlier in eastern countries than the western countries. Yes. Next. There were many rulers ruling over India during the Rajput age. तो yes, true. The head of Panchayat, Mukhi or Sarpanch shouldered the responsibility of security and judiciary during the medieval India. तो yes. The event of devotion of Lord Krishna are narrated in the epic Narishat Charitra. तो wrong. The Rajput kings were found of constructing gorgeous and artist building. तो yes. Chapter 7. The east-west vedette of India is more than its north-south length. तो wrong. The Himalayas is not one mountain, but it is a series of 3 mountainous ranges. तो yes. The Tropic of Capricorn passes through India. No, wrong. The run of Kutch is very sandy. तो wrong. Next, chapter number 8. In the period of Sultanate, Qutub Minar was the capital place. तो true. In the Dak Chowki, a postal service, the postman was called Halkaro. तो yes. Vidyanarayan Swami had inspired Harihara and Bukka to establish the state of Vijayanagar. तो yes. Vijayanagar was defeated in the Battle of Panipat. No, wrong. Chapter 9. The number of members in Legislative Assembly is decided on the basis of area. Wrong. The Vidhan Sabha building of Gujarat is known as सरदार वल्लभ भाई विधानसभा गृह, नो, wrong. The present a financial bill in the Legislative Assembly. Permission of the President is required. No, गवर्नर के रिक्वायर से होता है. The Chief Minister manage seats of the Legislative Assembly. तो wrong. अब यहाँ हमारा जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए पूरा हुआ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का बी, गिव रीजंस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. हमें जो है इसका रीजन देना है. हर्षवर्धन इज कॉल्ड अ ग्रेट डोनर. तो हमें जो है वो इसका रीज़न देना है कि हर्षवर्धन जो थे वो उनको ग्रेट डोनर क्यों कहा जाता है. तो वो उनको ग्रेट डोनर इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि ही वॉज अ ह्यूज gorgeous and congregations at the प्रयाग every 5 years. वो हर 5 साल में जो है वो अपने राज्य के अंदर जो है वो बड़े बड़े संतों और साधुओं और बड़े बड़े रिलीजियन की जो है वो क्या करते थे, सभा रखते थे. फिर he was donated all the wealth from his estate reasons that he had collected during the 5 years to all sadhus, sons, brahmins, leaders, men, etc. He also gave away his own ornaments in donation. For this kind of generosity, we can call him a great donor. फिर सेकेंड है हमारा, on 21st June, the sun is almost overhead in Ahmedabad at noon, but it is no overhead in Delhi. तो हमारा आंसर इसका आएगा, the earth revolves around the sun making an angle of 66.5 degree with the sun making angle of 66.5 with the orbit. So the sun shines vertically only between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Ahmedabad is located almost on the Tropic of Cancer, so the sun rays are 21st June, so the sun is overhead in Ahmedabad at noon, when with Delhi is at 4 north Tropic of Cancer, so the sun never overhead in Delhi. हमें जो है वो इसके अंदर रीज़न देना है, तो ये इसकी जो है वो मैं PDF फाइल आपको सेंड कर दूंगी. चैप्टर 3 में से लिया है लॉज आर फॉर्म्ड. फिर उसके बाद है इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू एडमिनिस्टर द होल ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम वन प्लेस. चैप्टर नंबर 4 में से लिया गया है रीज़न, किंग भोज इस्टेब्लिश अ यूनिवर्सिटी इन धारानगरी. फिर सेकंड है द रूलर्स ऑफ द चोला डायनेस्टी कोड इन्वेड नेशंस बियॉन्ड द सी. फिर चैप्टर नंबर 5 में से लिया गया द इंटरनेशनल डेडलाइन इज ड्रॉ इन अ जिगजैग मैनर. जो इंटरनेशनल डेडलाइन है वो जिगजैग की तरह होती है, इस तरह से. इस लाइन को जिगजैग लाइन बोलते, तो इसका हमें रीज़न एक्सप्लेन करना है. फिर लोकल टाइम्स ऑफ प्लेसेस ऑन डिफरेंट लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर डिफरेंट. फिर 7 चैप्टर से लिया गया है तो ये सब जो है वो PDF फाइल में मैं सेंड कर दूँगी आपको।